Any. Any.
If you do not do something or something does not happen anymore, you have stopped doing it or it does not now happen.
I don't do yoga anymore. Opposite. 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 Opposition. Oppose. Opposite. Opposed. Opposite.
In a position facing someone or something but on the other side.
We're in the building opposite the library. They sat opposite each other. Put a tick opposite the answer that you think is correct.
Sick. Sick.
Sick. Sick. Sickness. Sick.
Ill.
A sick child. My father has been off sick for a long time. The old woman fell or took or was taken sick while she was away and had to come home.
Feeling ill as if you are going to vomit.
Lucy felt sick the morning after the party. If you eat any more of that cake, you'll make yourself sick.
Thirty. 30.
30. 30.
The number 30.
20, 30, 40. She got married when she was 30 years old.
Castle. Castle.
Castle. Castle.
A large strong building with towers and high walls that was built in the past to protect the people inside from being attacked.
Warwick Castle.
Pop. Pop.
Pop. Pop.
Modern music with a strong beat which is popular with the general public, especially with young people.
Pop music. A pop concert or song. What do you want to listen to? Jazz, classical or pop? Area. Area.
A region of a country or city.
All areas of the country will have some rain tonight. Houses in the London area are very expensive. This is a very poor area.
To wait. To wait.
Wait. Wait.
Used to say how excited you are about something that you are going to do.
I can't wait to see him.
Good. Good.
Good. Good. Good. Goodness. Good. Better. Best.
Suitable or satisfactory.
When would be a good time to phone? Is this a good moment to talk? How about Friday? Is that good for you?
A good child or animal behaves well.
If you're a good boy at the doctor's, I'll take you swimming afterwards.
Friendly. Friendly.
Friend, friendliness, friendship, friendly, unfriendly.
Behaving in a pleasant, kind way towards someone.
A friendly face or smile. Our neighbors have always been very friendly to or towards us. Born. Born.
When a person or animal is born, they come out of their mother's body and start to exist.
Ellen was born in 1984. Archie was born in Melbourne.
Bother. Bother.
Bother. Bother. Bother. Bothered.
To annoy or cause problems for someone.
I'm sorry to bother you, but could you direct me to the station? I didn't want to bother her with work matters on her day off.
Afraid. Afraid.
Used to politely introduce bad news or to politely disagree with someone.
I'm afraid that we can't come this evening after all. This is your room. It's rather small, I'm afraid. I'm afraid I disagree with you there.
Frightened.
He was or felt suddenly afraid. She's afraid of water. Memory. Memory. Memory, memorial, memorable.
The amount of information that can be stored on a computer or other electronic device.
You need 128 megabytes of memory to run this software. Nurse. Nurse.
Someone whose job is to care for ill and injured people.
He worked as a nurse in a psychiatric hospital.